How to use Old Navy credit card rewards. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to use Old Navy credit card rewards. So first thing first, just head over to your Old Navy card holder portal online or via mobile application, usually through Old Navy Gap or Banana Republic. So once you land on that page, just locate the rewards or your balance section after signing into your account. And once you select to view your available reward dollars on points, so you can basically redeem in store or online. So if you are looking to redeem in store, you can inform the cashier you would like to use your card rewards. They will apply you your available rewards directly to your purchase accordingly. And for online method, at checkout there is typically an option to apply reward, or you may enter a reward code. This reduces your total before changing your card. And you can generally use rewards alongside other form of payments such as gift cards or sale discounts or your credit card remaining balance. So once you do all of that, just be aware that rewards often expire within a set time frame, like 12 months after issuance. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.